it's Christa with artisticvegan.com. Welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. Today we have a really simple, quick show where we're just going to be making some whipped cream. This was a request from Jazzy. Thank you, Jazzy, for another request. Great request, keep them coming. This is for whipped cream. You can use this on anywhere you would like to use whipped cream. It's made vegan with delicious ingredients like coconut cream and a little bit of sweetener. You could use maple, agave, your favorite, and then just a little bit of vanilla. So you really only need 3 ingredients and it comes together in a flash. So let's do it. The first thing you want to do is refrigerate your coconut milk overnight, or if it's cold where you're at, you can put it outside. And once it's firm, then you can open it. You want to scoop the solidified coconut cream off the top, and this is what you'll make your whipped cream out of. There's still some coconut water, that's what you want. Now you want to set that aside, and you can use that in smoothies and other things. I just add a splash of vanilla and sweetener to taste. So a couple tablespoons or so of your favorite syrup, and then you just take it and whiz it up. So you can do this with a handheld mixer, you can use it with your KitchenAid. I'm just gonna use this little guy. Use what you got. You can also hand whisk this and just go for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. Let's go see what it does. Here you go. And just like that, you have delicious whipped cream. Wow, how easy. So within 2 to 3 minutes, you have homemade whipped cream. So fluffy and wonderful and amazing. And you can use this to put on top of your cake. I made a muffin recipe and put it in a cake tin and then topped it with it. And it was divine and healthy. You can put it on top of your hot chocolate. I'll also show you what that looks like. Absolutely fantastic. And anything else that you would want to put whipped cream on. You're gonna want to get every last bit out because it's so good. If you want a really decadent hot chocolate, here's a really fun recipe that you can put this recipe on top of. So what you're gonna wanna do is simply take 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar. You can use your favorite. You can also use whatever kind you like. Then I've got 3 tablespoons of cacao. Then you wanna take the rest of your coconut water. So that's 1 cup. Then I just like to clean out the can, about 2 cups. Then I like to take some of this delicious cream, about a half cup of that. And then about a half cup of my favorite soy milk. I needed chocolate chips, but I ran out, but I happen to have some in my coat pocket because sometimes I like to snack on them, and I must have forgot about it when I put it on, so that was kind of awesome. So about a little handful of chocolate chips, or your favorite chocolate. Yum. Heat that up until it comes together. You can get this recipe over at artisticvegan.com. This has been Christa Clark. I hope to see you next time. Until then, my friends, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye.
Very well put together book with a lot of interesting meals in it. I can't wait to start changing my lifestyle.